Let's take a look at these examples. First problem, we're supposed to find value of y. In order to find value of y, I have to eliminate this coefficient from the term with the logarithm. So what I have to do, I have to divide both sides equation by 2.3026, 2.3026. They're going to cancel out, and I have log y equals 2 over 2.3026. Next, I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. Keep in mind that there is invisible base 10. This is going to be equal 10 to the power 2 over 2.3026. Close parenthesis is equal y. If you are going to plug in these numbers into the calculator, you are going to have y equals 7.3890. This is the solution to my problem. And if you want to verify your answer, you're supposed to simply replace this y by this value and plug into the calculator 2.3026 log of 7.3890 is equal to. So if you are going to plug in these values into the calculator, you are going to have 2 equals 2. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side. That's why this is the proper answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have the sum of two logarithms, right? I'm going to convert this sum of two logarithms to the log of product, and I'm going to have ln x squared times 1 over x. Square and x will cancel out, and this is equal 3.056. I'm going to have ln of x, because just x left next to the logarithm. This is equal 3.056. Keep in mind that there is invisible base e. In order to find value of x, I'm supposed to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. So I have e to the power 3.056 is equal x. Plug this into the calculator, and you are going to have x equals 21.2424. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify your answer, you're supposed to simply replace every single x in your original equation by this value and compare the left side to the right. Simply type into the calculator natural log, open parenthesis, 21.2424 to the second power plus natural log of 1 divided by 21.2424 is equal 3.056. Okay, plug this into the calculator, the left side, and you are going to have 3.056 is equal 3.056. As you can see, the left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is the correct answer to my problem.